Yes. Oh, masks.
For immediate departure.
Whoa. Yo, should we? I will never get bored of this view. That's so beautiful. Yo, what up, guys? We going on a trip. Alright, LS Gohan at my parents, so I don't have to worry about him for the next 5 days. And also, if you're wondering where we're going far east. Not to Asia or anything, just to Toronto. Or, as the locals would say, Toronto. Because they all call me out on it whenever I pronounce it Toronto. With a strong, heavy T. Toronto or Toronto. Anyways, we're going to the 6. Okay, fam.
Pick up a Toronto slang when you get back. There, when you get there. The man is heavy as fuck. I don't want to damage your trunk. Oh, yeah.
Yo. Nice, yes. Yo, Shane, thanks for the ride, bro. Man. We'll see you in 10 days. No, just kidding.
10?
5.
Good luck at the show, man.
Yeah.
Go get your shit out of me.
Thank you, thank you. Thanks again for the ride, bro. All right, time to find Sunny. Said he was already here. Oh, there he is. Oh, masks. Forgot already. Happens, man. We forgot a mask. I forget my coffee.
All right, man.
Shit, peace. Oh man, already forgot. Dude, this is gonna be the smoothest check-in. We'll be in our gate in less than 30 minutes.
That's a lot.
Price of a turbocharger, bro. Yo, again, you saved our life, man. Thank you. Thanks for the idea, yeah.
Catch you around Calgary then.
Yeah, definitely. We'll see you. Cheers, guys. Bonjour. Bonjour.
Take a laptop, storage, electronics. Your water.
Oh, that smell feels so good. Oh. We're late, guys.
Not really.
No, we're on time. Yeah,
Gate A19. Your flight is ready for immediate departure.
Oh shit. Enjoy the day.
Thank you.
Shit, what are we saying?
Today they are showing a total of 3 hours 22 minutes en route.
Aircraft at the front and 2 on each side at the rear.
Oh, babe, snuggle, baby. Oh, babe, snuggle, baby. Just wait. Let me drive you crazy, my cuddle baby.
Hours just like that. We made it. And actually, both Johns are going to be meeting us outside, so. There goes everything. Guys, we made it, we made it. Yes, Eddie. Hey guys, hello again. Hey, we were just going out that door, he's like, ooh, Subi gang, wonder whose ours are. What the heck, this is where you've been driving, bro? Slick.
Far East, yeah, finally.
Yeah, get away from my car. Too cold.
K-dramas on the TVs.
Yeah, K-drama or K-pop.
But this one's
Cheers, boys.
Cheers.
go by.
Cheers.
Tutorial
Tutorial hairline.
Might not understand me, but I'll try my best to explain now. Got lost in the city after I left your house. Path illuminated by some broken flashing yellow lights.
Burnt. Time to check out our Airbnb room, guys. What?
What's right? No, it's nice.
What?
Running through the 6.
Hold up. We get a 180 view of downtown Toronto. Oh my god.
Views from the 6.
Bro, good job, guys. This is sick. We're in Toronto.
6 choice.
Hold up. Booyah.
Should we turn off the lights?
Oh, sure. That's what you guys are doing over there. Alright, guys. I think we're just gonna get settled, recuperate a little bit. I mean, it's already pretty late. Toronto is 4 hours ahead of Calgary. So right now, we're wide awake, but it's like the entire city is asleep. So we'll probably just relax a little bit and call it a night. Tomorrow is another day, but tomorrow's also setup day for Toronto Fan Expo. So we'll probably just head over to the expo center, set up our booth, get it out of the way, and then we'll have all day to explore Toronto for you Toronto locals. Yeah, catch you guys tomorrow. Morning, guys. And now that it's morning, you guys get a better view or a better idea of just how beautiful a view we have. You can actually see the CN Tower from here. Morning.
Good morning.
Time to jump off the cliff. Woo! Look, okay, the thing is, if you drop something on this floor, look, there's no ledge. You can just like fall.
Say less.
Whoa, what the hell, man? Chill. Man, we've been hearing this construction since like 6 a.m. Building a high rise right there. And they're having a race with that building. Over here. Insane. Alright, so we're here at the Toronto Convention Center, and right now we are setting up my booth in the Artist Alley.
Coming together. Good. You got everything you need?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's perfect, man. Again, Eric, appreciate the help, man.
Yeah, it looks good. It looks good.
Yeah, thanks. Here's the booth. Sick. So, give you a little tour of our booth for the Canada Fan Expo. On this side, you got all of my colored prints. And if you're unfamiliar with the other side of my life, other than a car tuner, I am also a cartooner. Yeah, for this weekend, it's just gonna be me, Sunny, and Eddie chilling out for the next 3 days. Yeah, I don't know if this is gonna be all one whole vlog or split into multiple parts, but we'll see. It depends what we do today. But yeah, this is the booth for Canada Fan Expo. Dude, there was like complications before even getting on the plane yesterday. That's why we were in a rush, and that's why you saw us running. What happened was my suitcase was way overweight by like 15-20 kilograms. So I had to, first off, all of the shops selling luggages inside the airport were completely closed. Like none of them existed, so I didn't know what I was gonna do with the excess luggage and the excess weight that I had to get rid of. So one of the security guards actually gave me the idea of going downstairs to the Lost and Found and seeing if they had any throwaway luggages. And luckily, the Air Canada people were actually super nice. They took me to the back and gave me, it was a pink one, but who's to complain? Probably belonged to a little girl, but they gave me that one and I was able to disperse the rest of the weight into everyone else's luggages. So anyways, we're here, but that means I still have a few materials to pick up before tomorrow's show. So now, since the booth is all set up, that gives us the rest of the day. So I think we're just gonna go grab some grub, have breakfast because we haven't eaten since waking up yet and it's almost 2 p.m. And then for the rest of the day, probably just explore downtown Toronto and enjoy it for what it is, where Drake and Justin Bieber are from. Jabba the Hutt. That was sick. Bro, he moves. Honestly, guys, by tomorrow, this entire hall is gonna be packed. That's it, right?
Husky pump.
Oh, a Pomsky.
Pumsky, yeah.
Oh, that's amazing. Yeah, from afar, it looked like a whole different breed. So, yeah, amazing. Oh, you got him in Alberta as well?
We flew, yeah,
Wow.
from North Star Pumskys.
You want to say? Silver snail. Oh, what? These guys move. We found Jollibees, and it's actually right across Ryerson. What the hell, dude? That's a nice market play. Right now, we're exploring what's called Artist's Alley. Wait, no. Right now, we are going down an alley, which is considered the graffiti alley here in Toronto, and basically just a wide variety of different artists put up their art and tags.
All the way out there.
All the way, bro. Damn. This is just such a hype spot. Like, look how colorful this wall is. Definitely good for photos and videos and stuff. Cool. You can get a photo right there. Wow. Whoa, man. Every corner of the spot.
Dude, they're so fun. They're little like go-karts.
Players would see these as grind rails. These are like perfect. I'm gonna go check out a couple of these thrift stores over here. See if we can find any vintage jerseys. I mean, it's just fun thrifting. You never know what you'll find. And I mean, they're only selling these for like pretty cheap too, man. Football jerseys. Yeah, this is it.
No, it's like legit from
I would love this.
Damn. Yo, should we? Yo, should we?
I wanted to buy this in high school. I was gonna buy this.
Bike?
Yo, if this was real, it's $1,500 when it was new.
Bro, I'ma do it. Yo, look at this, Supreme. That's sick. That's actually dope. All jerseys on this side. Oh no, that's amazing, man. Like, yo, some of these jackets are actually sick. Like, what? I don't even know what that is. Oh, I used to have this Kappa jacket.
Oh, in high school, remember? You know,
Yeah. Then Jordan stole it. What if this is mine? He moved here. Like, it still smells like me. Bruh. People are gonna make fun of me for this, but whatever. I needed a jacket. Yo, there's more inside. Hi there.
Hi.
Hi. Good, how are you? I already found something I like.
Oh, that's very colorful.
Yeah. Okay,
Nice.
we're gonna keep looking around.
Sure, I'll keep it here for you.
Appreciate it, man. Thank you. Whoa. Actual pilot hats. And uniforms. Amazing. What? Metro security? Dude, this is the perfect place to buy prop costumes.
Yeah.
Are you kidding me? Yo, I might actually do it.
Right.
Is that
Walk in with it.
I want to work at Canada Post.
Okay.
Later, man. Thank you. Okay, I can't believe we splurged on a fake Supreme jacket. Fuck it. Krispy Kreme. Oh, mask here after you guys. Every damn time. Yo, we got one of those at our store. You don't even know, guys. $35. And I know it might be fake, but honestly, it's all about perspective because I still got a decent enough winter parka for 35 bucks that has a cool paisley design on it. But then all of the hype beasts out there like, come on, Birdy. You can do better than that. Look at that, guys. $35 Supreme North Face collaboration jacket. But yeah, in all honesty, this is not gonna protect you in winter, especially Canadian winter. Yeah, right. But still. And also, yo, check this. No, I've decided. I'm gonna start wearing work clothes outside of work, even if I don't work there. Like this I picked up for 20 bucks. Now I work at Canada Post, which is actually like the main delivery postal package service that we use here in Canada. I wish we had something cheaper. I like. But when am I ever gonna actually wear this? She needed a jacket because I forgot all of mine. I only brought hoodies. I only ever wear hoodies. It doesn't matter what the weather is outside. It could be plus 35, it could be below -50. It makes for a nice snowboarding jacket. Okay guys, check. I will never get bored of this view. Damn, look at those lights, man. That's so beautiful. Damn. I don't want to peek too far over this way, but over there. Oh, cool. The tower is covered. That looks like Gotham City. Come on, Thor. Give us something. Yes.